If your Instagram sharing list is out of order or showing random people instead of the accounts you normally interact with, this video will show you how to fix it quickly. This issue is caused by a recent Instagram bug, but there are two reliable solutions you can use. First, open your Instagram settings and check your account status to make sure you don't have any violations that might restrict features on Instagram. For that, head over to Profile page, navigate to three bars. Now scroll down and head over to the option Account Status. If certain features are limited, Instagram may change or break your sharing list and so on related accounts. If your account status is fine, the next step is to upload and reinstall the Instagram app. Offloading is more effective. For that, launch Settings, navigate to the option General, then iPhone Storage. From the list of apps, find Instagram. Now click on Upload app, click on Upload app and confirm it. Wait for a few minutes and then reinstall it. This often resolves these bugs. And that's it. With these steps, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be resolved. At the end, if this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.